PDH-01. The gasoline-powered PDH-01 is a general-purpose large platform radio-controlled helicopter. Fitted with a 29cc engine, it can reach speeds up to 150 kilometers per hour, travel approximately 100 kilometers, and fly for approximately 1 hour. It can also take off and land by itself, thanks to our sophisticated autopilot technology. The tail rotor is powered by a separate battery, enabling it to work independently from the main rotor. It comes complete with a storage box on the side of the body that can contain a 3-kilogram payload of goods, such as emergency supplies. The cargo space can also be used to attach laser scanners, winches, cameras, and more. The platform has the diversity to cater to all kinds of applications. The PDH-01 excels in situations such as the aftermath of disasters, where long distances must be covered at high speeds. The PD-4 AWAQ is an all-weather type and is capable to adapt to almost any condition, even in the air or in the water. The weight of the airframe is 10 pounds and maximum payload is 8 pounds. It can fly to water surfaces far away and transmit underwater images. The PD-4 AWAQ allows us to capture underwater footage with full autopilot capability. You can set as many waypoints as you like on the river or the ocean where the PD-4 AWAQ takes footage via our sophisticated FC2 autopilot system. PD-NE. We have a new concept. Don't use drones to carry your goods. Turn your goods into drones. By attaching 4 of the PD-NE's independent propellers and motors, you can transform chairs, tables, or anything into a drone. Making our concept a reality, we provide motor units fitted with CRP, a flight controller, an IMU, a battery, etc., all in one package. We provide the freedom to choose a combination of either 4 or 6 CRP. Once the master is designated, the other units interact wirelessly to automatically become slaves. Since each of the units calibrate automatically before flight, all the operator needs to do is press start. Equipped with high-powered motors and the technology we've cultivated through our experience in large platform drone production, ProDrone makes anything a drone. PD-6 CIL. The PD-6 CIL is a drone specialized in inspecting infrastructure, such as walls, bridges, and columns. The characteristic L-shaped frame restrains the movement of the rotor by using the negative pressure caused when the drone makes contact with the ceiling. As each wheel is independently driven, the drone can freely move around walls and ceilings. When equipped with a high-definition camera, it is possible to detect cracks only 0.1 millimeters wide. Not only does the PD6 CIL accurately inspect exterior walls, bridges, and columns, but as we can lower the speed of the rotors by utilizing the effect of negative pressure made when contacting the wall, we've enabled cargo shipment to such areas as balconies. PD6B, AW, ARM. By adding a pair of 5-axis robotic arms to PD6B's 20 kg max payload platform, the PD6B AW ARM can work in high places, collect dangerous materials, and ship cargo to remote areas. The robot arms can carry a max load of approximately 10 kilograms and fly for 30 minutes, making it suitable for long operations. A sophisticated algorithm maintains the drone's stability as its center of gravity shifts when using the robot arms. ProDrone possesses an unrivaled combination of sophisticated robotics technology and drone engineering innovation. We provide your services and application development with infinite possibilities. PD6 AW winch model. The PD6 AW is our general-purpose, all-weather mid-size platform that provides a trusted flight performance for any task required. The PD6 AW winch model comes fitted with an industrial winch manufactured by GlobeRide. It can reach speeds up to 65 kilometers per hour and has a continuous flight time of approximately 20 minutes. The winch has a 200-meter-long rope and can carry a 5-kilogram payload, enabling transport businesses to provide drop-free deliveries. Both the drone and the winch are controlled by a single transmitter, which means the platform can be operated solo. This enables the speedy delivery of goods such as AEDs and other emergency supplies in time-sensitive situations to remote locations such as isolated islands and valleys, etc. This combination of our PD6 AW and the GlobeRide winch has created the champion amongst mid-sized drones.
Avadrone 210T, the ultimate package delivery drone system. Fly 55 pounds of cargo over 75 miles at speeds over 75 miles per hour with the Avadrone 210T tandem logistics drone. Combining vertical takeoff and landings anywhere with ultra-high efficiency cruising flight, the 210T will outfly multi-rotor drones by a factor of 5 and offers more versatility than fixed-wing UAVs. Automated long-range flight paths are powered by PD-FC2's autopilot technology and custom ground control system. The 210T flies A to B missions, carrying impressive payloads beyond the line of sight, enabling the future of automated airborne resupply.
PDBR. As drones have become increasingly sophisticated, they are being fitted with heavier and more expensive equipment. At ProDrone, we have developed an airbag to protect Regal lasers and other such expensive equipment. When the acceleration sensors detect an anomaly, The airbag is deployed within 0.1 seconds. We protect your valuable equipment from the threat of damage.